Welcome to the world of DJI, where innovation meets the sky. In today's video, we'll take a journey through the iconic DJI Phantom Series, exploring the evolution and features of each drone in this groundbreaking lineup. Let's start with the pioneer, the DJI Phantom 1. Released in 2013, it marked the beginning of an era, equipped with a stabilized camera mount. It set the stage for aerial photography enthusiasts. Although it lacked advanced features, its simplicity and stability laid the foundation for what was to come. Fast forward to the DJI Phantom 2, released in 2014. It introduced significant upgrades, including the ZenMuse H3 3D gimbal for better camera stabilization. The ZenMuse H3 3D gimbal, DJI stabilizes cameras on drones, minimizing vibrations for smooth footage. It's a model within the ZenMuse series, enhancing aerial photography and videography. The addition of GPS and improved flight controls made it a favorite among drone enthusiasts seeking more precise aerial maneuvers. Now, let's soar into the DJI Phantom 3 era, which began in 2015. This model marked a major leap in technology, featuring a 4K camera, vision positioning system, and intelligent flight modes. 4K resolution, defined by a horizontal resolution of about 4,000 pixels. 4K in the context of a camera signifies the ability to record or capture content at 3,840 by 2,160 pixels 4 times the resolution of full HD 1080p. This elevated pixel count delivers enhanced detail and clarity in both videos and images. Vision Positioning System (VPS) is like eyes for drones. It uses cameras and sensors to help drones fly precisely indoors or where GPS doesn't work well. This makes them hover accurately and navigate better. Intelligent flight modes enhance drones by automating flight tasks beyond manual control, utilizing sensors and technology for advanced features. These modes streamline operations, offering unique shots and improved functionality in aerial devices. The DJI Phantom 4, introduced in 2016, brought even more power to the table with obstacle avoidance sensors, increased speed, and improved battery life. It set a benchmark for intelligent autonomous flight. With obstacle avoidance sensors, obstacle avoidance sensor detects and prevents collisions by sensing surrounding objects, crucial for safe navigation in drones. Boosted speed elevates drone capabilities, enabling faster navigation and quicker response times for unparalleled aerial performance and efficiency. Enhanced battery life ensures extended flight sessions, maximizing airtime for capturing breathtaking aerial footage and photography with reliability. This drone became a game changer for professionals and content creators alike. The Phantom 4 Pro, released in 2016 as well, took things to the next level. It features larger sensor camera, which captures stunning details, enhancing image quality for professional-grade aerial photography, ensuring unparalleled visual excellence. It also possesses mechanical shutter, which minimizes blurriness, delivering sharp and clear aerial photos with enhanced precision and improved image quality, with the improved obstacle avoidance which ensures safer flights, preventing collisions and enhancing overall drone navigation for worry-free aerial exploration. Building upon its predecessor, the DJI Phantom 4 Advanced, released in 2017, offered similar performance with a more affordable price tag. It retained many of the professional-grade features, making it an attractive option for enthusiasts looking for a balance between performance and cost. As we conclude this journey through the DJI Phantom series, it's remarkable to witness how each iteration has pushed the boundaries of aerial technology. From the Phantom 1 to the Phantom 4 Advanced, DJI has consistently delivered cutting-edge drones, empowering users to capture the world from new perspectives. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Fly high, and we'll see you in the next one.